Sometimes people try to compare having dental surgery with giving birth, but there really is no comparison. Having dental surgery done is pretty invasive, whereas giving birth is a natural process that your body knows how to do. If you remember back to when you were a child and you lost your first tooth, it was an exciting thing because the tooth fairy would come, and it was not anything that required anesthesia. It might have had a little bit of discomfort. So right there we could stop the whole comparison of dental surgery and birth. But something happened that helped me see there could be a correlation in a way to make birth actually easier and more comfortable for moms. I had a huge mind shift when I saw videos of people getting dental work done without drugs, using hypnosis. There's a man getting a root canal without drugs. Wasn't he in agony? Well, no, he felt totally comfortable. Another woman was getting her front teeth pulled and implants put in, all without anesthesia. Was she freaking out? No, but I was freaking out just watching it. It made my teeth ache just to see it. Right there shows the incredible power of our mind. If my teeth can hurt just watching someone else getting her teeth pulled, then can our mind be powerful enough to create pressure where there is usually pain? Yes, our mind is powerful enough. Here are the two videos that I saw so that you can see it too. The first one is from a Discovery Channel show, and it has a really great explanation of how hypnosis works. The second video is the one where the woman is getting her front teeth pulled and an implant put in, and it's the one that was really hard for me to watch. But it is amazing to see the power of medical grade hypnosis and how it is able to help this normally painful procedure be fairly comfortable for this woman. After seeing these videos, are you wondering if hypnosis can work for dental surgery, can it work for birth too? Yes, it can. And it actually works even easier for birth than it does for teeth. It's really a matter of our minds and fears getting out of the way of the body. Let me tell you something about your amazing uterus. Did you know that your uterus has two opposing muscles in it? The outer muscles are going up vertically, and these help your cervix to dilate when your birthing time begins. The inner circular horizontal muscles are actually there to help keep your cervix closed. All mammals have a uterus like this because it helps them escape from predators during their birthing time. Imagine if you were a gazelle giving birth and suddenly a lion snuck up on you. Well, your body would need a way to stop the birth so you could escape. The fight-flight hormone, adrenaline, would be released in your body, and this would cause those inner horizontal muscles to stop your cervix from opening. This is a wonderful thing when you're in nature and you need to escape from lions, but not always so great when you're a human in a hospital setting when maybe the doctor or nurses are presenting fear into your birth and you can't actually run away from it. So what happens is these two muscles are actually fighting against each other. The outer muscles are trying to dilate your cervix and those inner muscles are trying to stop it. And then it's that opposition that can cause pain in birth. But if a mom can let go of her fears and stay deeply relaxed, then her birthing muscles can work in harmony and comfort is possible. When you add the power of medical grade hypnosis on top of your body's natural ability to birth, then you have an amazing recipe for an enjoyable birth, staying comfortable with no medication, just like that man and woman stayed comfortable during their dental procedures. So you may be saying, wait a minute, I have a lot of fears about birth. How am I going to let them go? Well, luckily, hypnosis can help you with that as well. Let me tell you my story about how I decided to try hypnosis for childbirth and how it worked for me. I did some research on the internet and I found Hypnobabies. Hypnobabies had medical grade hypnosis, the same depth that the people you saw in the videos had. It had a lot of different CDs to practice with, a fear release CD so that I could listen to it as many times as I needed, and cues from me and my birth partner to help me stay relaxed and in hypnosis during my birth. And I especially loved that they had a birth guide CD especially for my birthing day. Not only that, but it had childbirth information, how birth works. That's where I learned about the two muscles in my uterus, and also the different choices I have during birth. So I knew that, for instance, I don't have to get an IV when I go to the hospital. I have other options. Well, during my birth with Hypnobabies, it worked beautifully. I was able to stay calm and focused for all 18 hours of my birth. I did feel pressure, and it was pretty intense for the last hour, but it wasn't painful, just powerful. I was so thrilled I had gotten exactly what I had hoped I would get, a natural childbirth with no pain. It was awesome. So indeed, hypnosis can help moms have a comfortable childbirth, just like hypnosis helped those people get dental work done without anesthesia. If your main reason for avoiding natural childbirth is to avoid the pain, then check into Hypnobabies. You can discover the power of your body and mind to create a comfortable natural childbirth. If you're looking for some tools to help you deal with your fears regarding birth, then check into Hypnobabies. I think almost all moms today have some fears regarding birth because sadly we are bombarded by negative information regarding birth from the television, our friends and families, movies. With Hypnobabies, you're able to create a bubble of peace to keep all that negativity out. And remember, there's also a fear release CD to help you release your fears. If you think this whole idea is totally nuts, but want to sleep better during your pregnancy and feel more relaxed about being pregnant and birth, then check into Hypnobabies. I ended up loving Hypnobabies so much that I became a Hypnobabies instructor. My best friend was pregnant at the time, so she took my class just because I needed a guinea pig to practice on. She never really thought it would work. She had seen my birth video, so knew it did work for me, but doubted it would for her. She only listened to the CDs because they helped her sleep better at night, but she still didn't think it would work even up till her birthing time beginning. But it totally did work for her, and she had an amazing birth. So why would you have natural childbirth? Well, there are a lot of benefits. Why would you want to feel all that pain? I wouldn't, and that's why I used Hypnobabies. Remember, with hypnosis, people can have teeth pulled without medication and be comfortable. And with Hypnobabies, you can enjoy your birth without medication too. I hope you enjoyed today's What Do Teeth and Birth Have in Common from Enjoy Birth. Thanks for listening.